Hey, hello guys. Hope you guys are doing good and welcome to another video. So the troubleshooting videos related to pod got really a good response. So today I'm making videos related to troubleshooting of deployment. So make sure that you watch this video till the end. And if you're really interested in preparing for CKA, please go and check the channel because the channel has several other questions being solved. And I will be also solving 20-25 questions soon. But as of now, let's do the troubleshooting of deployment without wasting much time. So as usual, I'm going to make use of Kilocoda and we will go for the first question itself. Also kept the documentation open at the side. So since in CK exam you can do this, you can do this here as well. So let's see what is our first question and we'll solve it. So we'll press start now. Okay. So the first question here is it's saying that there's a Postgres deployment template. And what it's saying that we cannot create an object due to some issue in that. So we have to fix that. Okay, fine. So first we'll do an ls just to see where is this. Okay, there is a deployment template. And then the first action which I will take is to just apply this and see what message it gives, because it can give some idea on what's going wrong here. So I will do k apply postgres.deployment and it has got created. So we can just, okay, it actually got created. So looks like, let's see if I get deployment now. Okay, so it's not ready though. Even though it got created, it's really not in ready state. So whenever it comes to deployment, the debugging always happens on the pods. So okay, so you can see it's showing a container creating. So I'll just add a watch. Okay, so it has failed with create container config error. Okay, fine. So we can now get more info on this by doing k get pod, then k describe pod. So this is the steps you follow when you want to get a lot of information. So okay, my bad, we cannot copy like that. We have to just right click and press copy. I'll just zoom this a bit more so that you guys can see clearly. Okay, describe pod and then I'll paste this. Okay, so what is saying? We have to check the events. So it's saying that we have successfully put error. Okay, so it is saying that the secret, okay, I can see a typo over here. So maybe that is the issue. So we have to get get secrets, yeah. So yeah, so it is Postgres secret, but it is being referred here as Postgres secret A. So that is one issue. Let's check the other ones. Is there anything else? Successfully pull latest everything. Okay, fine. So it just seems to be this seems to be the issue. So let's open now the file. So as I'll show again, just that. Okay, wait, sorry. What have I done? ls, yeah. So ls, you can see over here, this is the pod, right? The YAML. So we'll do vi into this. I press tab. So vi is to enter and edit this file. And if I go here, we can see this is the manifest. And I'll press I over here and I'll just check the manifest. Just let's give it a observation just to see. Okay. So yeah, so this is one issue over here. So we have to fix this for sure. So we will just put over here this, update this as secret. So this is just a very small issue and you can do k get deployment and k delete deployment, and we're going to delete this existing deployment. I press tab. So we have deleted the existing deployment, and as you saw, I have updated the YAML with the correct secret name. So we'll just apply this and see if it's good now. Postgres, yeah. Now I'll just do k get pod because that gives a better idea of what's going on than the deployment itself. Okay. Okay. So it just gave an error right away, right? With the same issue. So we'll just do k describe pod and see what is the issue, which is still persisting, right? Because this still seems to be a config error. Okay. So couldn't find key db_user in secret default. Okay. So it's not able to find this key, right? db_user. So there is some issue with the secret. So k get secret we'll do again. Okay, this is a secret, right? So k describe the secret, and then I'll just quickly copy this without wasting much time and paste it here. So yeah, okay. So as you can see over here, I'm looking for key called as db_user, but clearly this is the only secret present here, and there is a username and password, but there's nothing called as db_user. The actual name is username, and then the password is just password. So let's go again into the YAML and see what's the situation actually over there. Yeah, so we are here in the YAML now, and let's go directly to the secret section. Okay, so as you can see, it's referencing the secret as what we want, but over here it is using db_user, but it is actually, we saw it is username, and over here it's there is no key as db_password as well, it's just password. So this is one thing which we just identified, right? So we're just going to do this, and I'll press clear k get deployment, or we can just do a k delete. Now since we have updated it, we can just delete it again. Now I'll do k apply -f and the new one. Now let's go and check what is happening with the pod. Is it still having issue? Okay, it's running. So it is running. So you saw this is the process, right? And we'll press check now. Yeah, so that is done. So I will do few more questions because this happened really fast. Let's see which question we can do. So actually troubleshooting has the maximum weightage now, so that is also one reason why doing troubleshooting is important. So just keep that in mind. And even if you are not preparing for CKA, knowing how to do debugging is crucial, right? So that is also good, right? So we'll go here now to this one, not up to date. Let's check what's happening here and figure it out. Yeah, let's wait for this. Okay, press start, use the context. Now what is this saying? Stream deployment is not up to date, observed 0, under up to date should be 1, troubleshoot, fix the issue. Okay, so looks like there is a deployment already. So just let's do k get deployment. Okay, just to check what is happening. Okay, so we can see there is a stream deployment, but it is having 0. So I'll just do a describe on this just to show you guys what's happening. I actually know what's happening, but still. So I'll paste here. Okay. So if you see, right, whenever you see such a situation, right, you should first go and check the replicas. So if you see the replicas, right, it is 0 replicas, which is why there is nothing happening. So first of all, we have to scale the replicas, right? So I just want to show you the command for that. But if you don't know, nothing to worry. You can go here and type scale maybe. And let's just trying to confirm. Not sure. Yeah. So this is the official document for scaling. And here, if you see, you can see the name, right? So we can see the resource and this. So you can come here and see like this, right? So this is how it is working. Okay. So I want to scale a deployment. So this is the logic which I'll use. So okay. So what I'll do first is I can, if you don't know, right, you can also do this way, KH. So this will also give you like what ways to do. So I will just see k get deployment. What is the name of the deployment? Okay. So we have to scale the replicas. So what I'll do is scale deployment and then stream dash deployment replicas. Wait, is it cars or is just, yeah, it is cars. Okay, there's an S over here, equal to, maybe I can put 2. Yeah, so it has been scaled. Now if I do k get deployment just to check what is the situation. Okay, it's not ready yet. So yeah, it's getting ready. Yeah, it's all ready now. So basically that was just an issue where the replicas was set as 0, not a very difficult one. Okay, there's still, okay, maybe yeah, it should be 1. Sorry, my bad. It's not big issue. We can correct it right away by just making this oh shit. Oh, I'm really sorry, guys. But we can do it easily. It won't take much time. So what we had done was we scaled it to 2, but we had to scale it only to 1. That was the only issue over here. So if I first have to press the context. Wait, so I'll press the context. And it's clear. We'll do it quickly, guys. So now k get deployment. The name k scale deployment and we can just copy this. We'll paste it here, and then we'll put replicas equal to 1. We just need 1, so that's why it didn't validate. Now with this just 1, it should work. We should read the question actually, so it's not just a fix. They're saying it should just be 1, so that is why you have to read the question properly. Yeah, so this has happened. So we will go for the one more question, and then I think I can make one more video after that. So let's see what is happening now. Just okay, so this one, we'll go for this one. So I'm just doing deployment questions right now, that's why. And if you guys, if you are getting any help from this video, make sure that you subscribe and all that, so that you will not miss out on such videos. I keep putting it as and when I get time. So here, okay, so what is happening here now? They're saying there's a deployment and the pods are not running. Fix that issue. Okay, so what we'll see is first we'll get the deployment, just check what's going on. Okay, so there is a deployment, and yeah, so the deployment is not ready. Okay, fine, we'll get the pod. So you've seen the pods. Okay, we'll do a describe on this pod right away. Anytime you see this issue, just describe is always the solution. So without wasting much time, you can go here and press deploy. Yeah, so what is happening right now is it's saying that okay, the PVC is not found. Fine, let's just open one tab and check what's the situation with the PVC. Okay, get PVC. Yeah, so first of all, the PVC seems to be in pending state, and the name of the PVC is Postgres dash PVC, right? And over here what we see, it is looking for Postgres DB dash PVC. Okay, yeah, so that is not right, so we need to fix this, right? So how we do is we will update, we have to update our YAML, right? So what we'll do is k get deployment. Is that the name of the deployment here? Yeah, database dash deployment so YAML, and then we can put it into some file called as dbdeploy.yaml. We'll just put it into this, then I'll just enter this without wasting much time. And okay, fine, so we are looking for our PVC, specifically for our PVC. Yeah, so here's our PVC, and the PVC here they have specified as Postgres db-PVC, but the only PVC that you can see is this one, so we will update that. Okay, so I'll just come here, I will remove this, I will paste this, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And then delete this existing deployment, right? No, in database deployment, then k apply dash f db deploy, and then we're going to do k get deploy. Is it good? Not, something doesn't seem right. K get pod. Okay, the pod is still in pending state, so we have to check out what's now. There might be something more which we have to check right away. It will tell us now. Okay, pod has unbound immediate persistent volume claims. Okay, fine. So the persistent volume is still in pending state even after we have specified it properly, which means that there is some issue. Okay, so let me just do k get pv because I know the common culprits. Okay, so the access mode over here is read write. Okay, and here it is showing as 0, right? So I'll just do one thing, k describe pv, just to show you exactly what's going on here. And if I copy this and I paste this pv here, okay, so this is the access mode that this has, right? And if you look at our PVC, k get PVC, you can see the access modes are right here itself. So it is saying that there is no access mode set over here, and this is important. If what you should know is that the PVC should always have the same access mode as the PV, or it won't work. So how are we going to fix this? Obviously the same old method, k get PVC, the name, then o YAML, and we will put this into pvc.yaml. Okay, now we have got this, so we will get into this without It's too much time. Okay, so yeah, so we need to put here the same one as the one in our wait, let me just do clear k get pv. Okay, I just want to get this pv once. I just want to see the exact what to put. You can just check it out like this. Sorry, remove this. Yeah, so read write once. Yeah, so this is the exact keyword, so we have to update this. So I'll put this and escape wq. Okay, now I've put it as the same as the pv, so I have to delete now the existing pvc so that we can apply the new one. So deleted it. Now I'll k apply -f pvc. Yeah, now if I do k get pvc. Okay, it still seems to be in pending state, so I have to still describe this to check anything else is missing. So we'll go here, we'll paste it. Okay, requested PV is too small. Okay, fine. So if the PV is small, it means that there is a size issue, right? So we will just check. So there's a volume mismatch happening. I'll just keep the PV over here and the PVC there. So k get PV is 100 mi, and then our k get PVC, how much is it asking for? vi PVC .yaml. Yeah, so it is requesting for 150, which is not right. So we will make it request for 100 because that's the only amount which the PV can give. So again we have to delete this. So guys, you can just keep a practice of actually checking for these basic things before. You don't need to wait for each error to come. That will save time actually. Now k apply -f. Yeah, now if I do k get pvc -watch, okay, it is bound. So if it is bound, we will check the pod. What's happening with the pod? The pod is in container creating state. Add a watch here as well. It's taking some time. Yeah, it's in running state, so I can just get the deployment as well. Yeah, so everything seems to be perfect now. So there were multiple issues with the PVC, but all of them have been solved now. And let's check now to see everything's okay. Yep, that's done. So I will put more such videos of deployment coming forward soon. If you're liking it, then make sure that you are subscribed, and also make some comments as well, so I'll know if there are some suggestions which you guys want to give. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.